Hey traders, hope you are having a wonderful Monday. It's 20th of January and bank holiday in the USA while the president gets inaugurated. Congratulations to President Trump. And so let's go on with the parabolic trends in particular. Just a reminder how powerful the parabolic trends are. Incredibly profitable if they're used correctly with the correct settings. So let me go over these with you just so you better understand. This is the pound Canadian. So let's have a look at this as an example. So we've got the 4-hour chart on the left, and I often talk about price cycles. I do apologize if I keep on about price cycles, but they are really, really important to your success. Where are they in the price cycle? Where is the price in the cycle of a downtrend in this instance? So we can look on the left, we can see a big fat sell signal here on the left as the price cycle becomes way overbought. Okay, so that's the first thing to acknowledge, that prior to the downward move, the continuation pattern, you are going to get a pullback like this called a swing trade, as it's known in the trade. Now, before you go entering the position, what you need to know is what that looks like on the 30-minute chart, because your 30-minute chart is your key to success. The 30-minute chart is a continuation pattern. It's a break of structure, and the break of structure in this instance goes red in a downtrend. I'll show you an uptrend in a minute. We can see how this aligns here with the 4-hour chart. If I do that, you can see that this sell signal appears exactly in line with the 30-minute chart. These are the Advanced Pro charts. Advanced Pro charts have been developed over many years of trading. I've been trading for over 30 years. And these are the best charts in the world. Now, if you're a position trader, I'm a massive gold trader, day trader, but nonetheless, if you want to be a position trader where you just hold the position for a few days or a week or 2 weeks, doesn't really matter, then you can actually make massive amounts of money and increase your pot accordingly. So how do we manage this trade? So here we can see the sell signal on the left. Move that down a bit so you can see that. And we can see also the oscillators coming back from overbought into this position and then starts to move down. You can see the trend. You can see how the price goes down, and then you have the breaker structure here. Nothing else is required. I have one special setting here, and this is going to be Pine scripted, by the way, so that you won't even need any additional tools ever. So let's see what happens here. So once you get into the position, you just need to make sure your stop is above the previous swing high, or that the resistance line there is enough, and you can go for 2 to 1. What I would not do is go for 2 to 1. I would go for a much bigger figure of the area of support, which has already been developed and confirmed from the previous analysis. But what I would do is say to you, move your stop with this line here, because often you will pull out too quickly. You won't maximize your profits accordingly. And what you want to do in order to build your account to a big level, you need to maximize the profits. Okay, so if we have a look at this, this is 362 pips on a minor. Okay, so once you get to that position, if you hit your target, happy days. Now let's see well, things aren't happening today, but let's have a look at this in a bit of detail today, Monday the 20th. There's no volume in the market, bank holiday across the board, so we don't expect anything to happen. But look where the price cycle is again in the pound Canadian. Look where it is in terms of the downward channel, and look where the price cycle is here. It doesn't mean to say it's going to continue down, but the probabilities are that it's going to continue down. So your entry point on the 30-minute chart is when everything goes red. Very simple. You just wait for it to go red, new breaker structure, breaks the downtrend, the upward support line, and away the price goes. We have another target here of 172.89, which is down here, and we're going to get a massive move down to there. I don't know what pips, I don't count pips, but I know a lot of you do. 281 pips is to be expected. Doesn't mean it'll come in, but what we will do, we will manage the position accordingly. As the price moves down and breaks structure, then we can actually manage the position. Once a day is fine. You don't need to spend any time on the chart. Please don't spend all day looking at these charts. It won't do you any good whatsoever. Let's have a look at a few yen positions. Nothing happening today, as I mentioned. This is the, what is this? The Swiss yen. So let's have a look. Haven't seen this, so we can actually see where the price cycle is. We know that it's weak because the yen futures is strong. So we do expect further downward momentum coming up. Now have a look at this here. See how it all lines up nicely? Again, the same pattern re-emerges over and over again. The advanced pro charts are like magic. So once you get to break a structure here, then you're away and off to the races. 190 pips. Nice. Euro yen. Let's have a look, see what's going on here. Okay, so we have a few swing highs, don't we, on the left? Notice this here. Red background initiates a downward change of character to the downside. Price cycle to the upside, way overbought, and then you get this going on here on the 30-minute chart. Let's go back to that position, shall we? So you often get these swing highs. It goes green on the 30-minute, which is good news. You're not going to buy it, because look on the left. Look on the left. So this move here, break a structure there, everything goes red. 300 pips, thank you very much. So once you've got the advanced pro charts, you can just plot these all day long. Okay, you can go through the charts and just plot them all day long. We can see that the price is moving up, back up into the price cycle, and we see that target's been hit. We need to work out some more targets, but that's okay. We can use the fib extension for that, can't we? So we just grab the fib extension. That was the move. Ooh, let me do that. Ooh. Let's do that again. Grab the fib extension, drag it down to the bottom, and that will give you your extended 155.10. So that is a big one. 158 is a big number. Currently 161, so that's 300 pips down to there. That'd be enough, wouldn't it? So you can do a 618 extension to 158. We could draw a line there on there, and we can call it 158.10, can't we? So any kind of move down from here, we need to see change of character on the right. Of course, we need it to go red like this, and then we manage the position very easily. Pound yen, fancy that? Let's have a look at pound yen. Nice, nice. So let's look at the 4-hour chart on the left. Can you see the swing highs? The price cycle in a downtrend? Can you see the sell signals? You might not want to use the 30-minute chart. You might just want to use the sell signals as they come alive from a swing high. Totally up to you. Personally, if I was trading in this way, then I would use this here. That's 213 pips. Oh God, that's a lot. So look on the left, see how that lines up perfectly. Break a structure there, nice tight stop, and you have 639 pips. I'll repeat that, 639 pips. How long did that take? That's the 8th of Jan, the 13th, so 5 days. 5 days of doing nothing. And all you do, you simply move your stop to the bottom of this line, to the top of this line, just above it, just above it, just above it, just above it, just above it. Okay, so a fantastic way to trade. Let's have a look at a few more. Not much going on, but here's a pound Swiss. No price cycle as such. Not the best. Pound Canadian, I've shown you that one. Let's have a look at oil, shall we? Bit of fun. Okay, so yeah, we can see the price cycle here. On the left, we can see the buy signal, big fat buy signal here on the left, on the 4-hour chart. Buy, buy, buy. Swing low, which is the important thing. That's what you're looking for. You want the price to be really cheap. And then once you've got the price cheap, you just want to wait for the change of character here. There's your change of character, $74.30, and the price shoots up to $79. So that's a lot of money. We can have a look at gold. Nothing happening today, but you can see the swing low here nicely, and the change of character, which the breaker structure here, and that is your new trade. Big fat buy signal as well. Let's have a look at the pound USD. Nothing going on today, of course, but we can see a nice big move here. So if you have the advanced pro charts, parabolic trends, then this is the answer to your prayers. If you've suffered losses but want to recover them, then this is the way to do it. So let's have a look at this. Breaker structure on its way down, 290 pips. Actually, it's a lot more than that. Wow. The peak was 361, but if you moved your stop with the red line and waited to be stopped out, 257 pips. So a fantastic way to trade. Let's have a look at the US Swiss. Stronger dollar equals stronger US Swiss usually. And we can see the big fat buy signal. Big fat swing low here. So some great examples of how this works. And if you've got any questions, then please let me know. If you want to get going with this on the Advanced Pro Charts, then just go to the website www.thetradingmentors.com and go to the price plans.